Mr. Lavin from Vermont called me. Mr. Martin, I watched your video. I was swimming in the Dead Sea, floating in the Dead Sea, and I know the benefit of this cleaning process product. I'm going to send you several rugs. I was visiting Morocco, and I purchased the rug in Morocco. I'm very concerned about the odor, and I'm concerning also about the color run. This is very motion rugs for me. I love them dearly, and I have them in my house for more than 30 years. You can promise me, like as your video, then the color will never run. And I want to be sure when I receive them, I am going to put them on the floor without any smell of my cats. Do I have the word for it? Of course. This is my reputation, and this is how I gain customers from all over the world that ship me the Oriental rug to be cleaned the right way. Please listen how the vacuum do the job. After the vacuum extract everything through the rug, flush out all the urine crystal that's hiding deep inside the foundation of the rug. Everything's wash out, fall down to the pen, pump out to the sewage. And on the way to the sewage, you will see at the end of the video, I have the tube that show me how the rug in a cleaning process. I can see all the yellow, the pee-pee, the soap, the cleaning product the customer used, everything's till the tube become clear. When the tube is clear, I know for sure the rug is odor-free completely. And because I am using the Dead Sea cleaner, color will never run because acidic is the key issue to hold the color. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today.